recognises that risk. It doesn't take all of the net disposable income into account as a consequence. But nonetheless, the risk exists.
Thanks.
Deputy Doherty.
Gormaigat. Welcome to the committee. I must say, I was listening to your comments earlier on in relation to the tracker stuff, and the rage inside me was getting stronger and stronger because it was being passed off as that it was you didn't communicate or you didn't perform, give the information that was required, and that this is an industry-wide issue. Like, and you talk about the redress scheme and trying to right the wrongs, and you talked about how you apologise again to your customers. But this wasn't just an information flaw. Like, you've provided us in our question and answers, it's not connected, but you've provided us the salaries of yourself and your colleagues, some of you earning up to €500,000. You've watched these individuals lose their homes. You actually took the homes from some of these individuals. In my view, this was daylight robbery by a financial institution who took money off their own customers. And not only when this was pointed out to you by those very same customers, you denied it. When the Financial Serviceman's Ombudsman said that yous were wrong and your customers were right, you fought the Ombudsman. When the High Court told yous that yous were wrong and they were right, yous fought the High Court and you went all the way to the Supreme Court. And while you robbed these customers, you took their houses off them as well, some of them. And then you tried to pass it off as that this was an issue of information, that this is an industry-wide issue. This wasn't just a small little error within the bank. I sat with one of these customers